Good morning, good morning, good morning. I pray and I hope and I care. I hope that you are all having a wonderful day and that all is going well with you and yours. I am doing well and I am getting ready to head out to the salon and just complete my last assignment for today, my client. And I am happy about that I will have that time afterwards to spend with family and friends. Thank you, subscribers, for spending time with me. Vlogmas has been tedious, somewhat difficult, in that I am so busy with life and also recording videos that I am getting behind in watching my videos. When I say my videos, I mean the videos of those people that subscribe to me and support me. But I promise I'm going to catch up. I am going to catch up because I see the support that I'm receiving and I can do nothing less. But I wanted to thank you. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, come on and join the Gene G family. Click the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video, along with the subscribe button. That's what I want you to do. And once you subscribe, comment. Let me know who you are. Why are you subscribing to my channel? For some reason, you will. I realize that there are times when people come into your life, you don't even know why. If they are to be a blessing to you or you are to be a blessing to them. Well, some years ago, I'll say about 20, could have been about 27 maybe years ago, a young man came into our life. He was my son's, and still is, my son's best friend. When he came into our life, I did not realize how much he needed us. But we accepted him into our lives. And he has also been a blessing to us. This video is dedicated to two people. I don't know if I've ever done that, but I want to dedicate this video to Isaac DJ Fingers Hagler and his son, Marquise. Marquise is very special to us in that I consider him our grandson. So to him, I'm Ganny. And I want to show you just how far he's come since his birth. So I will show you some clips from our time with them celebrating him and who I call his crazy daddy, Ike. Yes, Ike. When Ike calls us, he asks for mom or dad. When Ike got married, we were honorary parents of his because his mom has passed away. And I'm so glad that we were there for him even during that time. So you keep watching and celebrate these two and their family with us. Have a great day. Yeah, that's cornbread.
Anyway, they felt like they were fine, and we were not hurrying back. But I had told them when we first moved to Orange.
Thank everybody for coming. It's been a long 4.5 years since I graduated high school, and it's good seeing similar faces that were there, and seeing new faces at this celebration. Overall, I just want to thank y'all for the support and the continued support. And I love each and every one of y'all, family, friends, acquaintances. Love all y'all. Thank you.
Put these in, and I'm going to leave them there